Hello everyone. Did you get to reach her?
Yes, Pampa. They do not stay until holiday Mummy Pass.
Good. Mummy Pass doesn't want to disturb you when it does. Hello, Clish. Hello, Panda. Hello, Mummy Pass.
See you soon. See you later.
Do I have any game?
Of course, Cidade Cliché. I can tell me again.
Will Cliché. Pampa and me pass are going to Chipigs. After all, I am Shark Cliché was okay.
Shark Cliché. We is too big for the spider. If it is very analysis what very man very need.
We know Cliché. Let us go home. Do you want to save? No. We don't want to save you. We are very glad to. What you ask that, I don't know Cliché. Let us look for the show care. I know that again Cliché.
I do tell me again. Cliché, when if they sleep on bed. Thank you so much, Cliché Pini.
You're welcome, Pampa. Oh really? What did that happen to us? Oh, I know, Pampa. Mummy Pass pig is fall up in there.
Well done, Cliché Pig.
Thank you.